Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.